Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant had a grand wedding ceremony in Mumbai on July 12. It was being reported that they are supposed to have a post-wedding bash in London as well, but that turned out to be false. To know more, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Anant Ambani और Radhika Merchant की शादी has been the talk of the town और ये साल की सबसे बड़ी wedding भी थी. They had pre-wedding bash earlier this year in Jamnagar where the entire Bollywood industry was present. It was a huge 3-day event and after that they also had a cruise party in Italy. Recently in July we saw the grand wedding happening. It looked no less than a royal wedding. The entire Bollywood industry was present to shower love on Anant and Radhika. They had the Sangeet, Haldi, wedding reception ceremonies. So many inside videos and pictures have come out and they are still trending on social media. Well, इतने सारे celebrations के बाद reports थी कि अनंत अंबानी और राधिका मर्चेंट की पोस्ट वेडिंग सेलिब्रेशंस होंगे लंदन में, as it was reported कि मुकेश अंबानी ने पूरा 7-स्टार स्टोन पार्क होटल बुक किया है, वो भी पूरे 2 महीने के लिए. बट अब एक पोस्ट सामने आया है जिस पे लिखा है कि ये रिपोर्ट्स गलत हैं. The post mentioned that they are not having any reception in London. The caption read, in reference to the recent media speculations regarding the Ambani wedding celebrations in London, we would like to provide clarification. After consulting with a reliable source close to the Ambani family, we can confirm that these reports are entirely unfounded. The family's occasional visits to London are solely for leisure purposes. Currently, Mukesh and Neeta Ambani are in Paris attending the Olympics. Furthermore, there are no celebrities present in London for any wedding-related events. The source further mentioned the statement from the London HQ of Stone Park. The statement read, "At Stone Park, we generally refrain from commenting on private matters. However, in light of the recent media speculations, we feel compelled to clarify that there are no wedding celebrations scheduled at our estate this summer." Well, जहां पहले फैंस हर एक न्यूज से एक्साइट थे, तो वहीं अब ऐसे फॉल्स न्यूज से इरिटेटेड दिख रहे हैं. As the comments read, शादी ऐसी करो कि कभी खत्म ही ना हो. तो हम क्या करें भाई, हमें कौन सा इनवाइट किया है? थैंक गॉड, नहीं तो 1 महीने वो चलता. फिर क्या है लंदन में इनका अब? एंड अब इंसान अपने घर पे भी ना जाए. दे हैव देयर ओन मैंशन इन लंदन. फैमिली लेजर ट्रिप के लिए भी ना जाए क्या? तो आपको कैसे लगे थे अंबानी फैमिली के सेलिब्रेशंस और क्या आप वेट कर रहे थे एक और सेलिब्रेशन का, या आपको लगता है कि अब अंबानी को रुक जाना चाहिए? डू लेट अस नो योर व्यूज इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो एंड फॉर मोर सच लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स डू फॉलो आवर पेज.